So here is a very simple assembly, and problem that I have found, it's Inventor 2020, is that we have a assembly of this scaffold clamp that uses free user-defined positional representations. It uses flexible positional representation when angle constraint is suppressed, so to enable rotation of this element, because it's a swivel clamp. And we have two explicit positional representation parallel, where those axes of the pipes are with the clamps are parallel, and cross for 90 degrees connection. So parallel, cross, or flexible when this is free to rotate. And now we have an assembly where I have placed this component. This is a first component and only component in this assembly. So when I activate positional representations within this assembly, it works until I set it to be flexible, and then when I change positional representations, it doesn't change the alignment of the part, although this part in this positional representation has no degrees of freedom, as well as this one. It is not presented properly, so geometry of the part is actually not as geometry of the part which should be. Can I view, arrange? So this one, I don't need this one. Okay, so this one is parallel and this one is parallel, but they do look totally different. When I change to cross, well, it looks like cross, but it's not changing. I will go to flexible and I will just rotate it a bit so we can see. Now when I go to cross, it's not cross. When I go to parallel, it's not parallel. The only positional representation that works actually is master, because when I switch to master, it will follow the master positional representation of this element. And now when I activate cross, it's not activating. When I activate parallel, it looks, but it is not active. So basically, flexibility and positional representations do not work together.